Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone had a great start to 2025. Happy New Year, and had a wonderful time with loved ones, friends, family over the holiday season. So I'm back today with a collective haul of some items that I've picked up over the last couple of months. A lot of these are accessories, and a few of them are kind of the same kind. So yeah, I'll get right into it. So the first item that I picked up was from Gucci. I just love I know burgundy was really in for the fall winter season this year, but I really love this shiny burgundy color that their packaging was in. So small box. Let's see. Okay. Inside we have a little dust bag. The dust bag also has it's kind of not that clear, but it says Gucci on it to reveal this very fun hair clip. So it's tortoise shell and it has the kind of crystal letters. So yeah, I thought this was a fun piece. It's just a hair barrette, and I plan to wear it, on a half up. You can't see it, but for half updos. Definitely more of a weekend or a non-work look. But I have been really into doing my hair that way, so it kind of sparked this new collection that, as you'll see, it really did spark quite the collection. And yeah, so the second item is from Miu Miu. I know Miu Miu's been super popular this year, but so far, I'm not sure how much of a trend it is. I do love a lot of their pieces, but try to stick to things that are more classic and maybe not so trend driven. So I have the cute pink bag, cute box that I do really like their packaging. It kind of looks like a clothing label on it's like a cloth sticker almost. So I think it's really cute. So in here we have another hair barrette. So this one is dark brown, and it's like shiny leather, and it has light gold hardware. It just says Miu Miu, very, very simple. So I think this one's a lot less flashy. So I think this one could be more appropriate for, corporate settings or places where you don't want to have Gucci in crystals. That's kind of a little bit too showy for some occasions. So yeah, similar. This one, I'll plan to wear it as a hair barrette for half updos. And the third item, I actually ordered online. I just stuck it in this bag because it's still from Miu Miu, but they didn't have it in stock in the store, so they just ordered it online for me, and I kept these, but it comes with, the receipt in an envelope like this, once again with the little cloth Miu Miu, so I thought that was really cute. And then it also came with this, I don't think I would call it a dust bag, since it's a lot larger than the item that I ordered, as you can see. But yeah, it's definitely, a nice little pouch that you can use for when you're traveling, just to put little things inside for organization. So yeah, I thought it was really nice that when you order online, it comes with kind of this extra item. And once again, it has that little cloth Miu Miu tag on it, so very cute. And yeah, so the one that I ordered online came with this little I guess it's like an elastic, it's not a ribbon, but like an elastic closure. So yeah, very cute pink packaging, same as the other one. So you can probably already guess what it is. Oh, this box is a little tight. Okay, there we go. To reveal another hair clip, third hair clip. So this one is shearling. So this is definitely a wintry piece. I just think this one's really cute. So it's in like white shearling. It, you know, once again has the barrette on the back. So this one, I kind of plan to wear more on the side of my head, like this. Online, for the most part, they style all these clips like on the side of the head. So yeah, this one, I think it's pretty cute on the side, but also once again, it can be worn as a half updo clip in the back. So yeah, this is the third hair clip. And then I received this as a gift from my best friend for my birthday. As you can see, it's from Prada. Oh, and I guess I should note that a lot of the hair clips did come with these like authenticity certificates, and apparently the authenticity has been uploaded to the blockchain. So that is interesting, and I haven't really seen that before, so I thought that was kind of interesting. So yeah, she clearly knew about my new obsession. So she got me this Prada hair barrette, which is very clean and perfect for work. It just has this really small Prada logo, the triangle in the corner. So otherwise, you know, very understated. So she had known that I got myself the Gucci hair clip, but I was like, yeah, I can't really wear this to work. So I'm looking for options that can be used in the corporate setting. So that's why she kindly picked this up for me. So thank you to my best friend. Okay, so that's all the hair clips. I think I have, you know, quite a collection at this point. So, you know, very happy with where things are on that front. And then the next item I picked up, I don't have packaging for because I had just ordered this online from Net-a-Porter, but I picked up this black Loewe tank. It's kind of a cropped style, so it's very simple. I think it's just made of cotton, very lightweight, and it just has the Loewe logo right there on the front in white. So, you know, a very classic style. And yeah, I haven't worn it yet because it's still very cold here, but I'm excited to get to wear that in the spring and summer months. All right, and the last thing I have is from Chanel. So it's been, I think, like 2 years since I've bought something from Chanel. I went through really a phase where I was buying a lot, and then I kind of branched out and was exploring other brands. So I finally did decide that it was time for me to get myself some more Chanel. So I have this bag here, and this is actually a category of item that I don't have from Chanel yet. So I should just pop this on the ground actually. So that's partially why I picked these up. So I originally went to the main like flagship Chanel store in Midtown in New York City, but they kind of like didn't have stock at all of what I was looking for. they said that they were still restocking after Christmas, so they said that like pretty much everything I was looking for was available in Bloomingdale's. So that's where I picked these up. And you know, you can tell they are shoes. So the Chanel shoe section is on one of the upper floors in Bloomingdale. So I actually hadn't been there before because usually I just go through the bottom floors and I didn't always make my way all the way up. But yeah, it was super nice. And I think in the future, if I wanted more Chanel shoes, I might even just go to the Bloomingdale's first because they seem to have a lot of stock and it was like really peaceful and not hectic at all. So, so yeah, I would recommend that. And the first pair of shoes I picked up are, so it comes with, I guess this is like a care packet, I think. It just says Chanel chaussures, which means shoes. And then it comes with the dust bags. To reveal the classic ballet flats. Here's the other one. So these are them. I just got the classic beige color with the leather toe cap. So you can see the CCs on the toe cap there, you know, pretty subtle. These are made in Italy, you can see up here. So for these, I got my normal shoe size, and yeah, I'm really excited to add these to my collection. I would say that it took me a really long time to decide what size to get for these because so for these shoes, they are going to stretch after you start wearing them. And it was like the size up fit perfectly at the moment, but if it stretched, I felt like it was going to fall off my foot, whereas the size that I actually got was a little bit snug, so it wasn't like the most comfortable. But I ultimately decided to go with the smaller size because I think it's safer. You can always stretch them out more, whereas if they're too large, there's kind of nothing you can do about it. So that was what the sales associate advised me to do. So yeah, very happy with my first pair of Chanel shoes. I do plan to probably go to a cobbler to get the soles protected, since I do live in New York City and you know, the ground might get wet, like there might be puddles and there's a lot of walking involved. So definitely want to make sure that you know, I'm preserving them as best I can. And then the last item that I have for today is another pair of shoes. Once again, comes with the dust bags. The box is a little bigger, so it's not another pair of ballet flats. To reveal the Chanel Turnlock loafers. So let me just grab the other one. So I don't know if it's apparent from the camera, but these are actually not black. They're a very, very dark brown. So I was originally looking for the black, but I think the black is just always the most popular and it's always sold out. So they happened to have the dark brown ones in stock in my size. And they also had two other colors on display other than the black and dark brown. They also had kind of more like a cognac color, like a lighter brown, and then also a light gray. Those were also really beautiful. I was hoping to get black because they're the most classic, but you know, these are very close to black and I think these will still go like really, really well with denim. So I'm really excited about these. I think, you know, the classic flats, it seemed they were more in stock than these, so I didn't think I would be able to find them, but you know, it's always worth checking if you're in a store and looking for them. You never know. So yeah, these ones are, I just think they're so cute because they have like the CC that actually does work. Like you can actually turn it and like open it. So, I mean, there's not like a pocket there or anything. I think this is just like, yeah, I think it's connected. This is just like a design. But yeah, I think that that's just like so cute. And yeah, like on the bottom, they have the CC on the heel. I don't know if you can see, there we go. And the quilting pattern, once again, I'll probably try to get these soles a little bit protected so that, you know, they don't get ruined like the second it rains. And yeah, I would say that these are super comfortable. Like I, for the most part, just wear like sneakers, like different Adidas sneakers. So because of that, I was like, I should try to branch out a little bit. So that's kind of what spurred this purchase. The ballet flats, I would say, they're still comfortable because they're flats, but these shoes I would say like are very comfortable, like straight from the box. It didn't feel like any adjustments would be needed. Like they were tight where they should be, so they were secure. You know, you can see it's pretty wide here, so very, very comfortable. So, so yeah, I would highly recommend these shoes because of that comfort factor. So yeah, that's what I have to share for today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.